guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today, we are going to reaction to one of news. Ayan, that this is I think this is Europe. Okay, this is that La Palma Volcano. Ayan, front video show black lava swallowing full home on too much. You know, this lava, if you are there, you will be die. Absolutely die. Okay, because there is one of my viewer, they are giving to me this one, that reaction. This is from global news. Ayan, check natin guys what kind of disaster of this, kasi all house I think. Okay, we will check guys. Okay, thank you so much to you, that Jesus Angel Sanchez, this is the channel. Okay, thank you so much to your recommend this reaction. Okay guys, and guys, before of that guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below. If you have new suggestion, please comment below and hit the bell button to always update to my vlog, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. Intro pasok. Ayan guys, check natin to kung anong balita, anong news to. Disaster siguro to kasi volcano eh. Okay, keep on watching guys. Okay, check natin. People, you will be heartbreak. But the rest, guys, yan, done already. Okay. But the rest, guys, what is this? There is some houses still, but that near in maybe near in the volcano, that all house maybe was out already, finished. Yeah, you can see that one. Oh my God, your heart is so. Just pray for them, because you know, I think this is only this month, September 21, I think. Yeah, because there is one, our viewer, they said to me, please comment this one and then pray for them. Yeah. Thank you so much. We will pray and also to all people in the world. Yan, guys, they will pray. Okay? Because you don't know when will happen. Okay? Sadness. This is the reality, you know, that life is not not long time, no? This is easy. If you don't know this will happen, maybe somebody is there, maybe they don't know it's happening already. I don't know how many people is die of this this is that lava, that volcano that is happen. We cannot notice if there is coming like that, but you can think, no? Even Philippines, there is also volcano, but the rest, I do not expect. Last when I was young, I remember that last time there is one volcano. I remember there is a lot of you know, that what did you call that? Abo, kung tawagin, abo. Ayan. Hindi alam English. Sinabi ko na baka mali yung aking Ayan, guys, thank you so much. Pagdadasal po namin kayo. Alam ko po makaka-recover po kayo kagad. Alam ko po hindi po kayo papabayaan ni God. Ayan. God is always there. Even there is happen, I know there is reason, and then also there is a solution of that. Okay, everything there will be fine. Okay, God, and thank you so much. Yan, guys. Thank you, and don't forget to like and share and comment below. If you have suggestion, please comment below, okay? And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, hit the bell button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much, and bye.